Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock and enter the screen lock. If you do not have one, you will have to add it right now, so you'll have a backup method of unlocking the device. And here, screen protector tip, that if you've got the screen protector, it may affect the fingerprint recognition. So just tap on got it. So here we've got the scanner. Let's put our finger on the sensor, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. As you can see, the scanner is quite sensitive because it really catches that I've added one area of my fingerprint. So just move it whilst adding. Let's tap on done, and here we've got the fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it here. Add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. And the fingerprint recognition, so the customization, you can customize the animation of the unlocking. And here you can decide whether you want to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Alright, so all we have to do right now is to lock the device and check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, the fingerprint scanner. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.